Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today for Malware news. Chaos in the healthcare sector continues due to near daily instances of hacking attacks against healthcare providers. Tens of servers of Belgium Hospital were encrypted by a hacker group that denied being part of ransomware as a service. In other news, a couple of transportation and logistics firms in Virginia suffered a leak of sensitive personal and medical information of truck drivers and railroad workers due to a ransomware incident. Even cybercriminals make mistakes, and the last incident is proof of it. More than 1,000 credentials stolen by attackers in a phishing campaign have been left exposed online via simple Google searches. The campaign in question is related to the one that occurred in August 2020 and used spoofed Xerox notifications as a lure. We hope that you stay safe out there, and if you need assistance in any way for IT services, please give us a call.